Hello, Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'm here at the beautiful Yacht Club Resort. I am touring all of the deluxe resorts today to see what kind of Christmas decor they have to offer. Please take a tour with me. As you walk into the Yacht Club, you are welcomed by one of our captains. Hello, Captain. How are you?
Hello.
And also we have a beautiful tree, gorgeous, and one of my favorite decorations is the ski chalet and village. Let's take a peek at that. Disney does such a great job for our guests. Look at this.
Hey Gary, you gotta get home.
Ski gondolas, Hurricane Hannah Grill, so much to enjoy. And I noticed as we walked around earlier, lots of Mickey hats. Coming up on the right, we have Beaches and Cream represented. So fun. And look how the lights are underneath the snow. That's nice. And Mickey and Minnie ice skating back there. And up on top, Cape May Cafe. Oh, and look who we have, Anna and Elsa in their village. Very nice. And Sven. Oh, there's Olaf. So fun. And moving on around, Santa Claus. And look at the chairs here. They have Disney on the back, Mickey Mouse. Very nice. Mickey's Gumball Emporium. So cute. And a nice train bridge. It doesn't look like the train's working right now. Oh wow. A nice river represented and an ice skater. Up on the right, Bayside Marina. Very nice. Now let's look at the lobby of the Yacht Club. Lots of beautiful decor, garland. It's raining a little bit outside, so lots of guests are inside for now as we wait for the showers to stop. Beautiful poinsettias. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. And don't forget to like my YouTube channel and follow me on all my Disney adventures. Can't wait to hear from you. Have a magical day.